The high-capacity Clarke CDP352F precision floor-standing drill press has been specifically designed for heavier engineering and workshop use. Powered by a powerful 550-watt induction motor, it has 16 speed settings and a 3 to 16 mm chuck capacity, making it suitable for a wide variety of jobs in a wide range of material types. The key-operated 16mm chuck is fitted into a standard MT2 Spindle Taper, and a taper wedge is supplied to assist with its removal when required. Setting the drilling speed is simple. Refer to the chart inside the pulley cover to determine the desired belt position, and then retension the belt and close the lid. A micro switch is fitted to the lid to prevent unintended operation when it is open. The large 290mm diameter table may be raised, lowered, or swiveled 360 degrees around the column, which can create between 0 and 642mm from the chuck to the table and 1128mm from chuck to base. The table may also be tilted by 45 degrees to the right or left, and a clear scale is provided on the table mounting to assist in setting the required angle. Drilling depth can be set with the stop collar, which is mounted on the spindle feed shaft, and a graduated scale is supplied to assist with this. The feed handle also features comfort grip handles for extra user comfort. When drilling small workpieces that cannot be clamped to the table, a drill vise can be used, and a complete range of drill vices, cross vices and clamps are available from your Clarke stockist. The drill is fitted with an NVR switch to prevent unexpected startup following a loss of power, and a bright working lamp is positioned underneath the head assembly to illuminate the job at hand. So, with its floor stand, 550-watt induction motor, 16mm chuck, 16 speeds from 180 to 2,770 RPM, rotating 290mm diameter table with plus or minus 45 degrees tilt, and depth gauge. The Clarke CDP352F floor-standing industrial drill press will give you many years of reliable service.